guys, this is Hill. Ever so often, my sisters, my mom, and I, we sit and we chat about anything and everything under the sun. And during one such bed talk lately, we ended up talking about women and their role in popular culture. And from that conversation stems the topic for today's conversation that we are going to have Ekta Kapoor. Girl boss, boss lady, these are all recent terms, but the OG girl boss had to be Ekta Kapoor. She set the part when it came to primetime television, the stories that she made around women, and how she made them the central character of her stories. Mona Singh as Jassi. Character dressing is all the buzzword now, but the OG character dresser was Jassi. For months on end, as viewers, we had no idea that Jassi was Mona Singh. She was in character no matter where she went, till the final big reveal. The girl gang of Hip Hip Hooray. Oh my god, this was the favorite show that I had when I was growing up, and I know a lot of people my age will relate to this show, and that was, of course, Hip Hip Hooray. I used to come back home, I don't know, from school, from college, and used to just sit glued to the television at 8 p.m. to know all about Mona and Alicia and these kids who were in 12th standard, to know about their friendships, their relationships. I have such good memories of watching this show, and I remember distinctly that there was this teacher on this show that gets pregnant out of wedlock. And back then, that was such a shocker for something like this to be shown on television. But yeah, portrayal of women in this show was fab. Kareena Kapoor Khan as Geet. Now, this one really needs no introduction, but it definitely needs a mention, and that is Geet from Jab We Met. Whether it is the chirpiness of the character or the fact that she went through a heartbreak and then came out of it on top, everything about this character is relatable even today. Shobita as Tara Khanna. Today's recent times, Tara Khanna, played by Sobita in Made in Heaven, is a character that is really fun to watch. She knows that she has a goal and she is ready to do anything to achieve that goal. I mean, you may disagree with her morally, but you can't really miss what she's doing. Neena Gupta in Saas. So this one's on the list thanks to my mom. She has vivid memories of watching Neena Gupta play the lead role in Saas. The basic premise of this show was that she was being cheated on by her husband and how she navigated this messy situation with grace and with dignity. Mandira Bedi. If you watched cricket in the late 90s and early 2000s, you could not have possibly missed Mandira Bedi. She set the path when it comes to presenting or being a commentator on sports broadcasting. With her in-depth knowledge, her fashion sense, she was unmissable and she left a mark unlike any other. Karishma Kapoor and Madhuri Dixit in Dil To Pagal Hai. Oh my god, this one's my favorite because I'm a huge Karishma Kapoor fan. But Karishma Kapoor and Madhuri Dixit in Dil To Pagal Hai was a duo that we didn't know we needed. I mean, Karishma clearly loves the lead, but he loves someone else, and yet she navigates the situation with so much of authenticity. It was so nice and fresh to see their chemistry and their camaraderie on the big screen. Mummy Ka Magic Chalega Kya? If you are a 90s kid, you will still remember the jingles of the ads that you saw on television. One such ad is Mummy Ka Magic Chalega Kya? Of course, there were many others like her, whether it was the Nirma girls, whether it was the Santoor mom. These certain female characters in the ads that we saw really defined popular culture. Barkha Dutt. As a kid growing up, I never really had these adjectives of brave, courageous, attached to women. That was until Barkha Dutt came onto the news reporting scene. Whether it was her fearless coverage of the Kargil war, whether it was the way in which she conducted primetime news, the questions she asked the panelists, how she stood her ground, demanded answers when needed. I mean, it was truly inspiring to see a woman take charge. Rakhi Sawant. She made content consumable even before content consumption was a thing. Rakhi Sawant, with her bold media outtakes, her brutal honesty, and all the entertainment and all the weird things that she did on TV, was just such a fresh break from every other thing that was happening. Sunidhi Chauhan. Oh my god, I really love listening to her songs. And even when she does playback singing with Sunidhi Chauhan, I can visualize her performing the song because she is such an amazing performer. So it's not just the voice, it's not just the variety of the songs that she sings, but it's also the fact that she has this amazing stage presence and like a really good music performer that we have. If there is any woman that you feel has left an indelible mark on popular culture, someone who's inspired you, please mention them in the comments below. We'd love to have a dialogue with you.